Welcome to ClickMyProject. Our project title is Drops, Division and the Replication of Data in Cloud for Optimal Performance and the Security. The modified abstract is the outsourcing data to the third-party administrative control as it's done in a cloud computing, giving rise to the security concern. The data compromising many occurrences due to the attacks by the other users and the nodes within the cloud. Therefore, the high security measures are required to protect the data within the cloud. However, the employed security strategies must also take into the account the optimization of the data retrieval time. In this paper, we propose a division and the replication of the data in the cloud for the optimized and optimal performance and the security that collectively approaches the security and the performance issues. In the drops methodology, we divide the files into the fragments and replicate the fragmented data over the cloud nodes. Each of the nodes store only a single fragment of particular data files, that ensuring that even in the case of successful attack, no meaningful information is revealed to the attacker. Moreover, the nodes storing the fragments are separated with a certain distance by the means of graphic coloring to promote an attack of guessing the location of the fragment. The drops methodology does not rely on a traditional cryptographic techniques for the data security, thereby revealing the system of computationally expensive methodology. We show that the probability to locate and compromise all of the nodes storing the fragment of single file is extremely low. In data flow diagram, the first user uploading their file to the cloud, and then the file is sent it to the data owner. Now the data owner is splitting the files into the number of fragments and selecting the cloud servers in the cloud by choosing the distance of the each cloud servers and placing the files in the cloud servers. Then the cloud server verifying the placing of files in the servers and make the replication of the files in the particular cloud. Then if a user requests a file, the cloud server searching the file and merging the files which are all present in the different servers and collect it and given to the user, then user downloading the file. Our project title is Drops, Division and the Replication of Data in the Cloud for Optimal Performance and the Security. Now we are going to start demo. First clicking the image. Then enter the first in it's a registration form. Here enter your details. Enter the name, date of birth, select the country, enter the username and the password for new inquiry. And enter the password and check its valid password. Okay. Then register. Click the register button. So enter successfully and click yes to registration. And register successfully. Now enter the username and password. The login button. The valid user, so it moved to the next page. Here the user uploading the file into the cloud. First choosing the file, in the file folder containing PDF file. Here the type of file is PDF and confirm the file by clicking yes. The file is confirmed. Then proceed, we getting the file name and the file size in a KB and MB also. Then the file moved to the data owner. Now the access given to the data owner to splitting the file. PDF file is split up into 14 files. Then selection. Here we are choosing the selection of node in the cloud. First we forming the node. We are creating 100 nodes and enter the number of files which is splitted by the data owners. Then clicking the node selection from the 100 nodes. Now the 14 nodes are selected randomly from the 100 nodes. Then we clicking the PDF. Okay. Now here the file is assigning to the selected nodes. Then we replicate the files in the cloud servers. Next, the cloud server verify the file splitting by the data owner. Get the file from the data owner. This is the path of the file. Then verify the number of files and the number of file splitting. Next, the user going to request the file to the cloud servers. Request for the file giving yes. Then viewing the file. Now the user going to downloading the file. Clicking the download. Get the source file path. Then enter the destination. D colon. Now the file is downloaded in the destination folder and the performance graph. Now D colon. Here the file is downloaded. This is the file the user requested from the cloud server. That's all. Thank you.